10-4.
We're going to be on the 2nd Street side, near the main entrance.
10-4.
Hey, buddy, what are you doing?
Chilling.
Why are you masturbating? Are you trying to shoo me off?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause you're not bothering me. Go.
What?
You're taking Buttercup out of commission.
What are you doing?
Buttercup. It's gone.
What? Stop masturbating, man. Hey. Stop it. What are you doing? Hey, what's your name?
Ram.
What's your name?
Ram.
Ramen?
Douglas Rama William Jr.
Why are you doing this right here?
Because I want to.
You know you can't, you're in public, right?
Say what?
You're in public. People are watching you.
No, I'm ducked off.
You're jerked off?
Ducked off.
Ducked off. All right. 6135 dispatch. It's going to be signal 20. It's the ET on the next unit.
Number, you have 6236 and 6291 around you.
You know, dispatch.
Go ahead.
I'll be logging in shortly at 6205. We'll take 291 disregard.
Number, 6291 1048.
Hey, stop.
No, we'll pass.
Chill. Go away.
Hey, put your hands behind your back.
No, I will not.
Put your hands
Do
behind your
not
back.
bother me.
Put your hands
Go.
behind your back.
Go.
Put your hands
I'm
behind
not
your back.
doing anything wrong. Don't tase me. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Hey, man.
Get away from me. It's not your job to tase me. Get away.
Put your hands behind your
Do
back.
you know who I am?
Put your hands behind your back.
Do you not hear the range?
6135 dispatch.
Go.
Being around for could be an RTR over here. Hey, buddy, put your hands behind your
You
back.
ain't never seen porn or nothing?
Dude, you're in public. Put your hands behind your back.
You're taking me. Go away. I'm
Be a
fucking
single point,
32 years old.
We're on 2nd Street.
Don't try me. Go. You're a little boy.
Put your hands behind your back.
Go.
Put your hands behind your back. Turn around.
Get away.
Dude, turn around.
I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
I don't have to listen to you.
You're under arrest. Put your hands
No, I'm not. Get the fuck away from me.
35 dispatch. Easy beat. Fleeing.
Don't fuck do that.
Your head towards Fruitville.
Number, just push all units from rear.
Fruitville and Osprey.
Get away.
Westbound of Fruitville.
You're on boy one. Oh, okay, go.
Fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Stop or I'm gonna tase you! Stay down, stay down, stay down! Ah, fuck. Fuck. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your fucking back.
You know what I mean?
Thanks, man.